Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai vehicle. Practically it could be any Hyundai vehicle. If you guys have an alternator that's charging way too much, higher voltage, or not charging enough guys, or not working, we will explain what can easily cause that. Now we have one device integrated in the alternator that's known as voltage regulator. And that voltage regulator keeps the voltage usually at around 14-15 volts charging, so you have a constant flow. And if you have spikes, that can cause guys, if spikes it's called when the voltage goes way up, it can cause damage to the engine, computer, electronics modules that can be super expensive to fix. In this video we will explain how we can fix that by not replacing the whole alternator. You can just replace the little voltage pack and it's way cheaper than buying a new alternator. So all that will be covered today. You don't need to remove your engine like we have it here, but all we need to do, remove the alternator. And if you want to know how to remove alternator, okay, we have the video how to do that on Hyundai Santa Fe, and the procedure will be very similar for many Hyundais. Now let me guys tell you something else. This should work on multiple Hyundai models. Some of those could be Hyundai Sonata, Elantra, Tucson, Santa Fe, Veloster and Accent as well. And before we start, I want to introduce you to the channel. Every single car we get at the garage, we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. If you need to buy any parts, tools for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get that from for again a really good price guys. So let's explain how to do that now. We have that alternator that's removed out of a 2.4 engine, but the procedure will apply to multiple models. So when you remove the alternator, always spin it to test the bearing to make sure that it's not noisy. That will be the time to replace the bearing if you need to. And when you flip it guys, on the back side you have one cover here. That's where the nut will be for the 12-volt charging cable. You have a signal cable here, and usually we have 2 or 3 nuts holding that cap on the back side of the alternator. So you want to go ahead and remove those, okay, those nuts, and pull the cap out. Okay, just grab it, pull it out. On the back side guys, what you're going to see, that device right here is the voltage regulator. In some cases guys, voltage regulator will be separate from the brushes. Sometimes they'll come together with the brush pack. It really depends guys. In our case it's one whole thing, and if you have a cap like that, usually you can remove it so you can easily install the brushes later too. But okay, check it out, that's where the brushes are. That's the regulator here guys. So in order to remove it, what do you need to do? You need to remove the 3 bolts. Some models, some designs can differ. Okay, not all of them are exactly the same like this one, but many models will use that design. Alright, removing the last one. Now you grab it, you pull it out, and this is guys, okay, you can see the brush pack with the voltage regulator. Okay, just like that. If you need to buy one, I'll try to put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. And when you're ready to install it, okay, with the cap out, you can easily compress the brushes, install it, okay, get the bolts tight, put the cap, and you're ready to go. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.